How to convert JPG to PNG step by step. So here is a quick and easy steps on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, here as you can see on my desktop I have a JPG image. Now in order to convert it to the PNG, let me open the Google browser and any preferred web browser. Then in search address bar simply type down JPG to PNG converter and simply hit enter to search for it. Then all you have to do is tap on the first option available there, JPG to PNG. Simply tap on it. Now all you have to do is, once you are inside it, you'll get to see the choose file option available there. Pick the JPG image from your device and drag it here. You can simply tap on the choose from your desktop and choose any, but here this is the easy process. Now wait for a few moments and here as you can see it has been converted to PNG. Download it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.